Hey, best friend. If you're wondering how I designed this beautiful crystal vase in as little as 3 easy steps, stay tuned. Hey, best friend. Okay, so some of the products that I use in this video is the crushed glass crystals, which I purchased from Michael's. I purchased 3 containers, 3 little jars of them for $5.35 from Michael's. I'm not sure if Hobby Lobby sells it, but I know that they didn't have any when I went there. So I ended up going to Michael's. I was going to purchase it off of Amazon, but I've looked at a few other reviews for some of the ones that looks like the one that I was looking for. And, some people have pictures up, and then pictures are so perfect for reviews because you actually want to see what the product looks like. And the product that they had purchased wasn't the product that matched the picture, obviously. So I was like, well, I didn't want to take the chance with that. So I ended up just going to Michael's and just purchasing some crushed glass crystals. And the vase actually came out pretty nice. You get to see the finished product at the end of the video. So I'm going to sit back and let you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so what you see me doing here is just adding the glue into the small spaces that the crystals didn't stick to or had fallen off because the glue wasn't all the way tacky enough for it to stay on there. It really doesn't take you that long to stick once the glue, if you think about Elmer's glue, like the school glue that we used to have to squeeze out of the bottle, it's something like that. So you have to give it time in order for it to get tacky and get it, get it to stick onto your projects. am almost finished. I applied some of the sealant spray on there to keep the crystals from falling off. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my video, and here is my finished product. Don't forget to hit that notification button and like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss when I upload new videos. Talk to you guys soon. Mwah.